Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. I am excited to have you guys here watching this video. I have missed you guys, it's been a minute, but I wanted to introduce you guys to my latest obsession. I have been very much into planting, gardening, and growing things for myself, like from scratch, from seed. And I thought, why not share with you guys? Not everybody has the garden space, but you don't need to have a garden space actually to start growing your own produce if you wish to. So I thought I would share with you guys the cheapest, the easiest way on how to do that with materials you probably own in your home. So if you are interested in that, please continue watching. Alright, I have this cardboard from Amazon, and I'm going to start folding the sides of the cardboard inwards just to give it a little bit more strength. And I'm grabbing this large plastic bag, just shopping bag that you get from the shops. And I'm basically going to insert the cardboard into the plastic bag like so, just so whenever I am watering, it can be protected from both sides. I did poke some holes on the inside of the plastic just for some drainage in case if I overwater it later on. And the second way to use the same plastic and cardboard, but in a different way, is just by inserting the plastic bag like almost like a cover and folding the top on. So I basically arrange it in a way that's as presentable as it can be, and add this organic potting soil that I got from Costco just for under $10. Actually, let's call it $10 with tax, plus tax. Anyways, in the first box, I decided to plant a celery stalk and some cucumbers as well. And I planted them side by side just so they can grow a little bit. And of course, I will thin them out later on. But for now, I added 2 to 3 pieces of seeds into each hole and watch them grow. It's just an exciting process, you guys. Just, you know, by watching them grow from a seed level. Seeing the process is amazing. And on to the second box, the smaller box, I decided to go ahead and grow some Swiss chards. And I think I would suggest, if you guys go with this method, I definitely would suggest adding maybe less seeds into each hole than I did. Because it seemed like every seed that I put in there grew, which is a blessing, but you know, go easy. Just so it will be easier for you guys to thin them out later on and plant them in their proper spots. This way, you guys know, planting them indoor like this was the fastest method of growing that I've seen. These seeds grow. It was also easier to water because they're inside and I get to see them. They're right by the window, in the kitchen and stuff like that. So it's easier for me to water and stuff like that. But anyways, I hope this video helped you guys. And if you guys do decide to go with this method of growing your own plants, I would love to know. Feel free to leave your comments and stuff like that and let me know your progress. I'd love to know, okay? Let's grow our plants together, okay? And also save money on the side, right? Doesn't hurt. So anyways, thank you so much for watching again. Stay blessed. I'll see you guys in another video.